I just get this one in a Walmart. It's new in the market. This one, it's the Porcycle Hyper Top. You only use gas and oil, no mix, no more. So they have the sticker now that the proof you bought it. So to make it safe for the owner, and I'm not the part of this company. I buy this one my own money. So let's grab it and try to use it, unbox it first, and let's see how this one is performed. This is the proof that I paid my own money. 128 plus tax dollars. So here we go, fellow. So here in a table review, this one it's year 2025 when they make. What's included to the box is a hex wrench, spark plug wrench, and the Porcycle engine oil, little tube there. There's a 1, 2, 3 there, automatic release valve, detachable tube, this one, and patented 4QL all direction motor. It should be on inside of this motor. Brand is Hyper Top from Walmart with 384 CPM Porcycle. I repeat, you don't need to mix of gas. 26.5 cc gas blower with 3 years limited warranty and anti-vibration handle, reduce fatigue. Of course, made in China, and it's sealed in the box, brand new. So ready to open it. And I just want to help you guys because I never see any review on this one in the social media and YouTube, most especially. That's why I bought it, and I just want to share you guys. Let's see what's going on, what's inside, and we are start from there. And this one is new, Porcycle. You can get a blower vacuum. You can get the regular basic one, but this one is a Porcycle. And the only I notice is there's no lever for automatic cruise control. Compare my other one, they have this one. I'm gonna show you. So I have this MM4 Makita. This one it's Porcycle too. They have this automatic cruise lever. It's a vintage 26 years. They made it 2000 February. So it's about the same their pipe it look like. It's like the same copy. While this one is an old stock, but it's 26 years. And this Hyper Top is new in the market. So I'm not gonna keep you wait. Let's open this box really quick. So it's open now here. Now try to get the one in the middle. Open this one. And it's a very decent setup. First, here's the pipes with the manual. And this is the main pipe with a sign of lock there, and little tools with torque screw, 60 ml engine oil, grip, it's rubberized, little bit plastic there in the middle, and the trigger is nice touch too, the way I feel. China, they have a very good in packaging compared to my other Makita. This one is, they have better arrangement. I remove it, everything, put that one inside the side, and now put this one in the table. I tell you, everything here is look decent. That's the inside of, to put your oil. Manufacturing date, it says September 20, 2025. They start making this one, it's 2022. And there's a little residue of the oil because before this one out in the factory, they started to make sure it's run. The only negative I see for now, everything is positive, it's that gas tank is very little. Compared to my Makita, is huge. And the air cleaner is intact, look decent. But the gear for the choke is plastic. Anyway, it's not gonna get some pores there. I think I can deal with it. And it's a very clever design when you put it in choke. And when it starts, you can just press this trigger, and it's gonna stay on after that. That's a good design there. And I think this one is a part of design too, is wobbling for vibration. Compared to my Makita, it's solid. It's one piece, not like this one, it's separate from the unit. So 74 dB wise if you want to about the noise or the sounds of decibel. And there's a reminder there. Primer bulb is very accessible, visible. Not my Makita is underneath there, they hide it. I like this design and it's very thick, you can peel it. And they have a support handle here while you're running. The pulling rope is decent on thick. I can peel is light when you add the tube. And a nice grip too. And I think you can open this one too for access for repairs. And maybe they have some access to vacuum too. You need to buy that separate. Read this one first before you put your oil. And of course, the manual too. So this one is the main manual and this one is some maybe about the warranty there. So most of the gas tank is the same too. They have some string there to attach the gas tank to make sure you're not gonna lose it. That's the reason they have that one. And they have a very easy start. Pump this bulb, put the choke out, and then yank this group start. They have a very straightforward design. They have only tools, 2 pipes, and the oil. That's the only you need on this installation. And here's the main tube. When you turn it down here, it's unlocked. When you turn it forward, it's gonna be locked. Now let's put it in. Follow that arrow. Slide it in. See the slot? Insert tight and push it forward. So it's gonna stay in place. No wobble. So here's the second pipe. Just turn this one away from you. It's gonna be locked. Insert it. And you see this hump there. And twist it away from you. Make sure it's lined up from here to there. So that's already installed. So exact weight here is Sage product weight, 9.48 pounds. And in a weighing scale, 9.9. There's a big difference there. Maybe this one, It includes the oil and the gas. To give you idea, compared to my Makita, 11 pounds. So you can tell this Hypertop is a little bit less on weight. That's a good sign there. Now it's time to put this 60 ml. Put everything. That one is exactly measured to this blower. And after that, put some gas and let's start it. And make sure put this boat in a well ventilated area, like open area. Not put it inside your house. Don't do that. Now here is a moment of truth. I'm outside, so I already put this one a little bit over of 60 ml, and I noticed the cap of the gases, they have I think 3 holes. I think that's breather. I never see that one in I only see that one in my RC car from before, but let's see if that one is good or not. And when they read the manual, they said that you need to pour all the way right there only, right after the thread. So let's follow the instruction. Flip it a little bit like this so that it's not gonna be overflow. So exactly no mess at all. So put this back in. Make sure pour it in the right way to avoid break the plastic cap. When it's tight, stop it. Now start to put some gas in. I suggest to buy the non-ethanol to have your carburetor good shape for a long run. Now already put decent amount there to make this one start. Put this one in tight so that there's no any leaks. And pop this one until you see some gas there. Wait until be full. So now it's full. And try to put in the ground and let's start it. So here we go. I laid flat. So please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. So now let's, from the factory, I just put everything there, oil and gas. Now, moment of truth. Let's start it. So let's see when start this one in one pull. Put in on. I'm not gonna use the choke first, just one pull. Let's see this one start in one pull. Yank it. Yank. So you guys the witness in two pull without the choke, it start right away. So you expect that to, if you have 4 cycle compared to the 2 cycle, this one is more easier. So hopefully it lasts. The air blow is decent. You see the box that pull it away. And I think without the lever here, cost control is not a problem. So you just very soft to squeeze it. I think you don't need that one. And they have a 3 years back warranty. This brand Hypertop. So I think if you take good care of this machine, they gonna serve you for a last on long run too. So it depends how you handle it. So far for the price, if you ask me, is if I recommend it, yeah. If you only use in a household, they can do the job. They have decent blow of air when you squeeze the trigger. And the pipe too, the way they design it, I like it because it's very like straight, no any bend, and I never feel a lot of vibration because of this handle. It's separate from the unit. I think that's a good design, but it's a little bit loose. Maybe that's the part of design. That's why I tell you earlier. And the valve for it's on your front, so it's easy access. That's the one I like too. So the automatic off and on is just automatic by itself when you turn it off and turn it on. But when you start it, I think you need to squeeze again the on before you start it. And let's see again if it is start without the choke. Just put this one on and then pull the string with a little bit trigger. Stop. On again. No squeeze. Pull the trigger. Yank it. So it's very easy to start. That's the power of 4QL that is says in the box. They have a very good circulation. You don't need to mix nothing. Just pour the gas right away and start it and you're there. Now at least before you buy this one, they have one person that is ready do some unboxing and how to use it and how to start. So give you some help. So just subscribe to my channel if you can. But if you don't, I'm alright. And I think thanks for watching. If you have some question, just message me down below. So I already show you everything, how to start, and unboxing too, what's the parts. Straightforward to use it. So far, I like it. So hopefully the time can tell if this one's last or not. But they have a 3 years warranty. If you have some problem, just call the 1-800 and make sure to get the warranty, go online and put the necessary information there so that you can get the 3 years warranty registered. So I recommend to do that one. I think, thank you very much. I'm out. Have a good day. And I have another review again on this one or after 2 to 3 months, something like that. Bye-bye. Goodbye. I'm out. Thanks.